Hello, good morning students. Today we will discuss about how to do the experiment in RTD. So what is RTD? RTD is resistant dependent thermometer. So RTD will have a positive temperature of coefficient. So what does positive temperature of coefficient means? When the temperature increases, its resistance value will increase. So based on this, we can do an online simulation for different materials. So for materials like platinum, copper and nickel, you can select and you can do the material. So for the link for the experiment or link for the virtual lab experiment will be given in the YouTube description. So you can view from that. So for this experiment, I will take a platinum. So platinum is having an temperature coefficient of resistance of value 0.00385 and the operating temperature range is -200 to 850. So I can select a reference temperature of any kind. So 100, 200, 300 and 500. So I will select 100. So before going into this, so we will see a formula for an RTD. So what is the formula for an RTD? Once again, I will take a pen. So the formula at any temperature RT will be equal to reference temperature R0 into 1 plus alpha, which is temperature coefficient of resistance, and that particular temperature. So RT is the resistance at the required temperature. R0 is the reference temperature. So in our case R0 is 100. You can check it in the browser. So R0 is 100 for us. Okay. So R0 is equal to 100 and alpha is equal to 0.00835. So for different temperatures we can measure the RT. For example, once again, so I will take a temperature of 205. For 205, the calculation will be of like this. So R at 205 degrees Celsius will be equal to 100 into 1 plus 0.00835 into 200. So if we calculate this, we will get a value of, either you can manually calculate or you can get it from the browser itself. For example, you click submit, it will not give the value. Click submit for 1 or 2 times. So the answer is 178.93. So you can type it here, 178.93. So it will take for next set of temperature, you should get temperature. So press submit, press 1 or 2 times. So the answer is 228.59. So 228.59. Press the submit. Next, give the get temperature. So get temperature is 268 degrees Celsius. So I don't want to calculate manually, so I press submit so if I press it one more time, I will get the correct answer, 203.18. so 203.18. submit. So 3 values is enough to plot the curve. So if I click the plot, so we should go for one more value. So if I press the plot, once again, I'll remove this. So you can see as the temperature increases, the resistance of the RTD also increases. So this is how RTD works. So RTD works based on the principle of positive temperature of coefficient.